In this video, I'm going to show you how to get T2 troops in Viking Rise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So what we first need to do is upgrade your Chief's Hall first. So this is the main building that unlocks higher troop tiers. So to do this, click on Chief's Hall, click on Upgrade, and then go ahead and click on Upgrade. Now we can use speed ups to increase this. So we can use those speed ups, but you need to upgrade it to the level required to unlock tier 2 troops. As you progress through early chapters, the game will prompt you to upgrade the Chief's Hall. Follow that progression closely. Once the requirement is met, your troop training buildings will unlock new tiers. Now the next thing what we need to do is upgrade your training buildings. So each troop type has its own buildings. So we got barracks, which trains infantry. We got range, which trains archers, stables that train cavalry, and workshop that trains siege units. So to unlock T2 versions of these troops, upgrade each respective training building. So to do this, I want to go ahead and train the barracks. I want to go ahead and click onto it, make sure there's nothing being trained. So I'm just going to speed this up. So I'm going to click onto this and then click upgrade. And now I want to go ahead and upgrade my barracks. And now I want to do that for all the barracks too. So you got your infantry, your archer, as I said earlier. So just go ahead and upgrade all of them. Now, once the building reaches the right level, the tier 2 troops become available in the training menu. Then you can start training new tier 2 troops or promoting tier 1 troops to tier 2. Now we need to go ahead and complete required research. So you need to go ahead and open up your academy and then go to the military research tree. So your basic military here. Then we need to look for topics such as troop training 1, infantry, cavalry, archer attack 1, or troop promotion. Some of these texts are required before you can train those tier 2 units. So focus your resources here early. Upgrading research unlocks better combat stats and future tiers. So basically click onto it and then go ahead and research. And we can use speed ups to make it faster as well. So go through this tree. Now also, you probably noticed training those higher tier troops costs more food, wood, stone, etc. So make sure you have farms, lumber mills, stone quarries, and gold mines upgraded. Enough resources stored to train or promote troops continuously. Resource boots active during long training sessions.